What's going on, y'all? Riley here from Mad Easily. Cody out here being obnoxious as always. We're shooting a video today on a box we just got in. It's a pretty cool box. It's actually just a smaller version of a box we used to carry. We still carry it. We just don't have any right now. This is actually the Revenger mini kit. So the cool thing about this is it's exactly the same as the Revenger kit. The only difference is it's small. And it's not 220 watts, and it doesn't take batteries. It's an internal battery, so there's a lot different with it. The only thing that is similar is actually the way it works.
This thing's a lot similar.
It's very
nothing similar.
It's exactly the same. It's just different. It's smaller. It's in every way possible. This is a smaller device than the Revenger kit. The tank is a smaller version of the tank. The mod's a smaller version of the mod. And it doesn't take an external battery, but everything else works exactly the same. So the way you turn it on is going to be 5 clicks. 1, 2, it's already on, but 5 clicks on the side button here. Then you've got your wattage up, wattage down buttons here. It's locked right now, so let me click that thing 3 times to unlock it. Bada boom, wattage, as always. And then fill your juice up the same way as it's always been filled. Push it to the side. Good to go. Very good stuff. So, like I said, it works exactly the same as the Revenger kit. So if you want a more in-depth, description of how these things work, we do have a Revenger kit video out. This is just a video to show you that we've got the smaller ones in. They are 85 watts, and they do use the smaller Revenger tank, known as the energy tank. Very good setup. So if you got any questions about this or any other device or anything like that, you can leave them in the comment section below. I do appreciate you watching the video. Hope to see you in the store sometime. I don't know what to do with my hands.